In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Instagram story from everyone in 2025. If you want your stories to be completely invisible without blocking or removing anyone, this walkthrough will show you the quickest and most reliable way to do it. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. From your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and choose Settings and Privacy. Inside that menu, select Privacy, then tap Story. This is where all the controls related to who can view and interact with your stories are found. Look for the option labeled Hide Story From. Tap it and you'll see a list of accounts. Select all your followers or use the search bar to choose everyone. The idea here is simple. By adding every account to your hidden list, you're telling Instagram that nobody's allowed to view your stories. Take a moment to make sure the list includes all the people you want to hide it from. When you're done selecting, simply go back to the previous screen. Instagram saves these settings automatically. From now on, any story you post will be hidden from everyone you selected, which effectively makes your story invisible to all viewers. This is a clean solution for moments when you want to post for yourself or archive your day without broadcasting it. Keep in mind, this setting only affects stories. Your posts, reels, and profile visibility follow their own privacy settings. If you prefer a broader privacy approach, you can also switch your account to private so only approved followers can see your content. That won't hide your story from approved followers by default, but it does give you tighter control over who follows you in the first place. And if you occasionally want to share a story with just a small trusted circle, use the close friends list. That feature is perfect for selectively sharing without changing your overall settings every time. Remember, hiding your story from everyone means no followers can see your story updates, which is essentially making your story private to all. It's the easiest way to stay low key without blocking or removing people, and it's quick to change later if your needs shift. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.